Imagine a world where compressed air systems are connected, where machine data is analyzed in real time by the machine itself. Imagine the capability of a smart flow management system that increases efficiency, reduces downtime, and reduces costs to your business. Gardner Denver introduces iConn, an open, cloud-based digital platform for compressed air systems, a system delivered to your fingertips. The Internet of Things is already here, happening in everyday life. Our vehicles tell us when something is wrong or when a service is due. Home automation controlled by a smartphone app, tracking deliveries, monitoring your health. iConn delivers Industry 4.0 technologies for your compressed air installation in real time, so you don't need to worry about it. Gone are the days when unplanned downtime and unoptimized performance disrupts your production, in turn creating uncertainty and unplanned costs leading to poor productivity. With iConn, issues are identified before they become problems. You're notified by a simple app and can log into your dashboard to investigate further. But even then, there is no need. Your distributor is already dealing with it. You're connected by iConn. Initially connecting your compressors, the heartbeat of your installation. Then the downstream elements, such as filters, dryers, generators, and even the pipework that feeds your network. Creating and delivering insights that provide predictive and later on cognitive data analytics and exceptional service to our customers. Monitoring a complete compressed air installation, including downstream equipment and environmental conditions, allows for the optimization and control provided by enriched analytical understanding, keeping machines healthy and providing an energy-efficient installation with reduced downtime and lower operating costs. iConn enables visibility of your compressed air systems across multiple sites, cities, and continents. The benefits cannot be overstated. iConn delivers analytics, insight, and real-time notifications to any device, platform, or service. Proactive, real-time and secure communication directly to your fingertips. Brand agnostic, iConn is an open platform and can be retrofitted to any compressor brand, delivering a global digital air experience and compressed air as a service. Connecting the future, iConn is a digital platform for compressed air systems.